There are a multitude of classifications for e-commerce websites. You can divide them into groups based on the products and services that they sell, the parties with whom they transact, or even the platforms over which they operate. In this video, we'll take a look at all of the different aspects to give you a clear picture of the different types of e-commerce websites available. Welcome back to our channel, eCommerce Know-How, and today, we're going to discuss the different types of e-commerce businesses. Let's begin with the products and services that are commonly sold online. Number 1. Stores that sell physical goods. These are typical online merchants. Physical goods include clothing, furniture, tools, and accessories. Online shoppers can purchase physical goods by visiting the store's websites, adding items to their shopping cart, and making a purchase. After the shopper makes a purchase, the store will deliver the items to their door. There are also online stores where customers can make an online purchase but pick up the products in-store. Eyewear retailer Warby Parker, menswear retailer Bonobos, and shoe retailer Zappos are some examples of these e-commerce stores. Number 2. Service-based e-tailers. Services, in addition to products, can be purchased online. When you hire educators, freelancers, and consultants through online platforms, you are transacting with service-based e-tailers. The purchasing process for services is determined by the merchant. Some companies may allow you to buy their services directly from their website or platform. Fiverr.com, a freelance marketplace, is an example of this. Before the seller can deliver their services, people who want to buy services from Fiverr must place an order on the website. Some service providers, on the other hand, require you to contact them first in order to determine your requirements. Blue Fountain Media, for example, a company that creates digital strategies for large businesses, asks clients to contact them first by filling out an online form in which they describe their business needs. Number 3. Digital products. Because e-commerce transactions take place over the internet, products are commonly referred to as e-goods in the e-commerce world. The term digital products refers to all digital items, such as ebooks, online courses, software, graphics, and virtual goods. Coursera and audiobooks are two retailers that sell digital products. Another way to categorize e-commerce sites is to look at the parties involved in the transaction. Number 1. Business to consumer, B2C. The B2C e-commerce model, as the name implies, represents a transaction between businesses and individuals. The most common business model among both physical and online retailers is B2C e-commerce. Nike, Macy's, IKEA, and Netflix are all examples of B2C e-commerce companies. Number 2. Business to business, B2B. Both parties involved in the B2B e-commerce model are businesses. In this type of transaction, one company provides another with goods and/or services. B2B companies include Slack, a platform for communication between remote businesses, and Xero, cloud-based accounting software for businesses. Number 3. Consumer to business, C2B. In contrast to the traditional business-to-consumer model, in which companies deliver value, the C2B business model represents a transaction in which individuals create value for businesses. Consumers provide products and/or services to businesses, collaborate on projects, and ultimately help businesses increase their profits. A company that brings two parties together to engage in C2B transactions is Freelancer, a freelance platform that connects remote workers in businesses. Number 4. Consumer to consumer, C2C. When two consumers trade with one another, this is referred to as consumer to consumer e-commerce. eBay and Craigslist are two examples of online marketplaces where people can buy and sell goods to one another. Number 5. Government to business, G2B. When the government provides goods and services to businesses, G2B e-commerce models emerge. G2B e-commerce can be found in government procurement, data centers, and e-learning. Number 6. Business to government, B2G. Companies and businesses that provide goods and services to the government are referred to as B2G OpenGov. For example, is a company that provides cloud-based platforms for government communication, reporting, and budgeting. Number 7. Consumer to government, C2G. Consumers engage in C2G every time they pay taxes, health insurance, electronic bills, or request information from the government. Please keep in mind that we've included all of these sections to give you a general idea of e-commerce classification, even though models like G2C or C2G are only included in the broadest definition of e-commerce. When we talk about e-commerce, we're talking about the B2C or B2B model 80% of the time. So these were the main types of e-commerce businesses. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Which type of e-commerce business model do you like the most? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.